August 1st, 2024, Florida Highway Patrol troopers were following a black GMC Denali pickup truck that had been reported stolen in Broward County.
Alright, this FHB, I got eyes. They're approaching 12, right?
That's yours.
Alright, getting off at 12.
Run the RO from the border line cache. Can you see if the RO was the driver that was transported to the hospital? Because I have no information as to who was driving the episode. Okay. Got it. We're with them.
1155.
1155.
The suspect initially responded to the emergency lights by stopping, but it was all a trick. Moments later, he hit the gas pedal and attempted to flee.
1155, I got the signal 10, he's fleeing. We're gonna be 826 eastbound from 12.
826 eastbound from 12, is he on foot or still on the signal 10?
I'm behind a signal 10, black GMC Denali. It's gonna be a 28 of 47 Bravo, Zulu, Romeo, Quebec. We're gonna be eastbound 23. Alright, 23. I believe he's signal 4 the vehicle right now. Alright, towards the turnpike. He's going 12 whiskey. Now going on the turnpike, signal 4 versus a truck, and we got to load over. Now going on the turnpike, signal 4 versus a truck, and we got to load over.
The suspect was stopped shortly after his reckless attempt to flee. In the process, he caused significant damage, colliding with multiple vehicles on the road. He even hit a truck, causing it to roll over. Troopers arrested him immediately on the scene.
I'm trying to find 2 traffic stars. What's the reference to rescue? I gotta find 2. Did you get the glass open?
May 23rd, 2023, a Florida Highway Patrol trooper initiated a traffic stop on a black Hyundai Genesis for speeding and following too closely in rainy conditions. However, the suspect refused to stop, leading the trooper to engage in a pursuit. The trooper's primary goal was to prevent the suspect's vehicle from entering oncoming lanes, ensuring the safety of other motorists on the road. Troopers managed to stop the driver, and he exited his vehicle and tried to flee on foot, but was caught shortly after.
One Pontiac on the wrong way. 885 Victor George. 885
On July 29th, 2024, Trooper Bratton observed a motorcycle cutting back and forth through cars in the construction zone. Trooper pulled to the shoulder and allowed the bike to pass. At this time, Trooper noticed that the motorcycle appeared to be a maroon Suzuki Hayabusa with no license plate attached. Trooper's unit began having mechanical problems, and he was unable to keep up with the suspect. Trooper lost sight of the motorcycle so he canceled the pursuit. The Conway Police Department called into state police that they were in pursuit of a 2015 black Ford Mustang that was stolen. Check it out.
Units in between me and 35 right now. In the ditch. By all means, end it if you can. Looks like he's gonna try and do it. Take his feet back up. If he takes too long road, there's a one-way bridge going down the hill. Be careful. I'm not one on going to do well. Okay, I'm trying to get across the mortgage. When you took a run on this car, you comment that road. That's the kind of street, Jeff. Shut down the whole road. Now this stop sign, he is.
He's surrounded, he's off in the ditch. We got him here on 326.
With the assistance of another trooper, they managed to stop the suspect after this long chase. Suspect was arrested immediately. A trooper arrived at the scene where his colleague had successfully stopped a suspect who had stolen a car. The pursuit ended dramatically when the suspect crashed into a pole, causing the vehicle to catch fire. Check it out to see how the situation unfolded.
Did you tase him, or was that him just rolling on his own? It looked just like you were tasing him, the way that he was rocking back and forth like that. That's such an odd spot to crash out, too. Can you have LRPD send out a unit to traffic patrol? I'll get it started. When do you go 10-7?